Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys how you can get the Dragonstone in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, the Dragonstone is one of the first quest, if not the first quest-specific item that you will stumble upon through the main quest line. And it is found in Bleak Falls Barrow. Bleak Falls Barrow is pretty much the first dungeon you will encounter if you follow only the storyline for the first few quests. When you return to Riverwood, either with Rayloff and whatever the Imperial guy's name is, you will go to Riverwood, and right across Riverwood you will see a mountain. On that mountain is Bleak Falls Barrow. And you will get a quest to retrieve the Golden Claw from a thief in Bleak Falls Barrow from the keepers of the shop, whatever his, I think Luke and Camilla Valerius are their names. They will give you the quest, and you'll go to Bleak Falls Barrow then. And the Dragonstone is located in the very last room with the wall of words with the word of power. You'll need to defeat a powerful Draugr. Relative to your level to actually get or complete the dungeon. Another way you can get through Bleak Falls Barrow is you will need to go to Whiterun and speak to Farengar after you speak to the Jarl, and he will send you to Bleak Falls Barrow, so you might as well get this over with right after Riverwood. Go through Bleak Falls Barrow, which is located here. Let me just show you on the map quickly. It is located, as you can see, well, this doesn't want to load. Okay, here is Riverwood, right across is Bleak Falls Barrow. You clear it just like any dungeon, and at the end you will find the Dragonstone, take it to Farengar, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.